Hello, I'm Dr. Gökay Bilgin, one of the co-founders of Smile Hair Clinic in Istanbul. I would like to walk you through how FUE hair transplantation is actually performed, step by step. FUE stands for follicular unit extraction. It's a minimally invasive method and how it works. Step 1. Preparation. We start by designing the hairline and the zones that we are going to perform the hair transplantation. Then we trim and clean the donor zone, usually at the back of the head, where the grafts will be harvested. Step 2. Extraction. Using a micropunch device, individual hair follicles are carefully removed one by one. This process is gentle and leaves no linear scars. Step 3. Incision. This is the most important part of the hair transplant. We create tiny incisions or channels in the recipient zone. The angle, depth and direction of these channels determine how natural and dense the result will look. Step 4. Implantation. The extracted grafts are placed into the prepared channels with precision. The procedure usually takes 1 day, 6 to 8 hours, and patients can return to their hotel in the same evening. At Smile Hair Clinic, we use our unique FUE technique, developed over years of experience. It enhances graft survival and ensures natural-looking results. If you are curious about whether FUE is right for you, our team is always ready to guide you. Your journey to restoring your hair and your self-confidence could start today.